There are a lot of net options available for your construction projects. We've got the debris nets. These are not fall protection nets. These are for catching debris on construction and remodeling sites only, not for fall protection. We also have the fall protection nets, which are made with or without debris liner for catching small particles, drop tools, and things like that. These are what are known as debris nets. These particular nets are the RocBloc nets made by InCord. These come in 3 strengths, a 2K net, a 5K net, and they also have a 10K net. They're available in several stock sizes as well as custom options, custom sizes for your project. These nets are typically used to catch contained debris, falling tools, things like that on bridge renovations, remodel jobs, construction projects, anywhere where you want to stop debris, tools, things like that from falling to the area below. They can also be used vertically to wrap the structure or wrap the project to keep debris from flying off and falling down. These nets are made with a knotless woven rope that gives it some strength for heavier tools that might fall into this. It also has the debris liner to stop smaller particles from falling through. I have stainless steel grommets that'll be spaced 1 to 2 feet around the perimeter. These are typically installed with wire rope, eye bolts, turnbuckles to create a perimeter, and then snap hooks that hook from the grommet onto the wire rope. These are not a fall protection net. They're for catching debris, stopping debris and tools from falling only. These are personnel safety nets. These are made by InCord. They are ANSI-rated and tagged appropriately. They've got snap hooks around the perimeter that are spaced 4 foot on center, and they are staggered on the net. So if you need to attach more than one net, they're offset a little bit to allow for that. They've got the synthetic rope around the outside with the knotted material in the center. These are typically used under a work site for fall protection. There's a wire rope that will be installed structurally around the perimeter, and then the snap hooks will hook to that wire rope. These nets are available in either the basic net without debris liner or with a debris liner attached to catch any smaller debris, falling tools, and things like that. All of these nets are available in some stock sizes, and custom sizes are always available for whatever your project might require.